So let's make some for our sweetheart. Mary Nadler is here. Hi, Mary.
Hi.
Good to see you.
Good to see you too. It's great to be here, and today we're going to do something awesome for Valentine's Day.
Look at you all dressed up. Are you still with 10 Bloom Cakes?
I sure am. That is my company. But today we're not doing blooms, we're doing hearts.
Okay.
And as you can see, I have this really, really cute whoopie pie. It is in a heart shape, and it's red velvet and chocolatey and so romantic. But also, it's a great thing to do with your kids. So, what you need to do is you can actually get all of this from the grocery store. Whatever your skill level, it's totally fine.
All right.
But we're going to make some red velvet cake. First, you want some sugar, flour, baking soda,
All right.
salt, and the key ingredient to any red velvet cake is cocoa powder, because it always has a little bit of cocoa powder. And we just want to mix those up really quick. Next is the wet ingredients, and you want to mix them separately, 100%. So we got oil, buttermilk.
Buttermilk, okay.
Makes it super smooth. Egg whites.
Okay.
Vanilla. And then this might surprise some people, some vinegar. And vinegar is actually what gives it that velvety texture. That's the red velvet cake. And then to make it red, we do some red food coloring. This is gel food coloring. You can get it from any craft store, or also they do sell it in some grocery stores.
Doesn't take much, huh?
Not much. You mix that all up. Once it's mixed, you pour it into your dry ingredients and then mix those all up together. Okay, so if you're working with kids, I recommend using a hand whisk, because if you have an electric mixer, they're going to lift it out and there's going to be a red velvet batter all over your kitchen.
Yep.
So once that's done, you want to pour it into 2 casserole dishes that are like 9 by 13. Spray them really good with grease. Put it in the oven for 350 for 21 minutes at 350 degrees.
Okay, 350.
Yep. And then once you have your baked cake, you're going to take a regular old cookie cutter in the shape of a heart and just press down like you would like a cookie dough.
Yeah.
Okay? And you're going to do 2 per whoopie pie so that you can make the sandwich part of it.
What's the cream in the middle? Is that like buttercream?
Buttercream, and you can make your own, or you can get frosting from the grocery store.
That sounds good.
Now, I just put it in a sandwich bag.
Okay.
You don't have to do anything fancy here. You just put it in a sandwich bag, and you cut the bottom, and then you can just pipe it really nice onto your whoopie pie. Place the top of the sandwich here, and then this here is just chocolate sauce from the grocery store.
Sure.
Shake it really, really nice. And then you can make this as messy or as clean as you want, but it looks really, really good for Valentine's Day. And who doesn't love chocolate on Valentine's Day?
That looks great. So
That's great.
So with the sheet pans, how many can you make out of that? Because I saw you made one, but that took a chunk of what you had baked there.
You can make about, with the 2 sheet pans, you can make about 6 whoopie pies total, but they're kind of big.
They're big, yeah.
Yes. So for the whole family, or just, you know, if you are quarantining with your significant other and you put all calories to the wind, enjoy yourself.
It might lead to some making whoopie.
Hey, not a bad idea for Valentine's Day.
That was great. Come back and see us again. I'm very impressed with your cakes in the background, too. My goodness.
Oh, yes. I'll
what an
give you
artist.
a little look. See, I would love to show you a little bit more of this. So thank you so much for having me.
Oh, my gosh.
We will see you again.
Very nice.
Okay, great.
Okay. I have one